Electric motorcycles have to look futuristic, right? Well, in many cases, manufacturers ignore stereotypes and appeal to all sorts of riders, including fans of traditional designs. Today, we check out the newest retro bikes. Tacita T-Cruise. While the majority of e-bike builders are focused on low-power urban motorcycles, the Turin-based Tacita is concentrating on making the first proper electric cruiser. Their latest T-Cruise bike has a stout build with a 487-pound curb weight. The carbon fiber and Kevlar fairing ensure durability while offsetting the weight of a 27 kWh battery. This unit juices a 34 kW motor hooked up to a 5-speed gearbox. The setup yields 131 pound-feet of torque and 188 miles of range. The bike boasts a 50-minute charging time to 80% SOC, powerful disc brakes with a 4-level regen system, a smart control dashboard, and a modern LED lighting setup. Ichiban Bike. Inspired by Japanese anime, the Ichiban electric motorcycle wants to treat fans of traditional designs. This newcomer is not just another eye candy, but a true pocket rocket with cutting-edge EV tech. The powertrain comprises 2 electric motors, enabling an all-wheel drive system. To efficiently handle a 45 kilowatt output, the bike uses an innovative transmission design, ABS, and traction control systems. As a result, a 0 to 60 acceleration time is recorded at just 3.5 seconds. The information about the weight and battery capacity has not been announced yet, but we're promised up to 155 miles of riding. The fast charging system is also present. It gets to a 70% SOC in about 30 seconds.
Royal Enfield Flying Flea C6. Royal Enfield used this year's EICMA show floor to not only unveil their first highly anticipated electric motorcycle, but also a separate EV brand called the Flying Flea. Scheduled for a market debut in 2026, the Flying Flea C6 will preserve Royal Enfield's retro spirit by using an exposed aluminum frame, rounded lights, a leather saddle, and a unique girder suspension setup. And offer all-terrain riding capabilities in a lightweight package. As of today, the brand hasn't disclosed its main performance characteristics and motorcycling components, besides a specially developed vehicle control unit, a battery protected by a magnesium enclosure, lean angle sensing, ABS, a cruise control system, a round touchscreen TFT display, and quick charger with a 3-pin plug. At the end of the show, the company execs teased the upcoming S6 model that looks like a lightweight electric scrambler. Patak Roadster. Instead of looking like a tiny 2-seater with lots of inexpensive plastic cladding, the ultimate city car should look like a retro-inspired electric roadster. At least that's how engineers at Patak Motors see it. This automotive company from Slovakia tried to blend the comfort of a car with the agility of a motorcycle. Their creation is called the Patak Roadster, and it has a gorgeous open-top design with an optional folding roof. Unlike many similarly looking Velo mobiles, the Roadster offers performance comparable to a city car and all must-have safety features, including a 3-point safety belt system, powerful disc brakes with ABS, independent front and rear axle suspension, a tubular frame, and carbon Kevlar reinforced body. The installed 15 kilowatt motor is spinning the rear wheels and enables speeds up to 80 miles per hour. You may opt for either a 10 or 20 kilowatt hour battery, offering either 60 or 155 miles of range respectively. The opponents of zero-emission powertrains may order the Roadster with a single-cylinder 4-stroke engine. Yologo City Monster. Yologo is an uprising EV manufacturer with a plan to launch 2 battery-powered two-wheelers in early 2025. An urban moped suitable for commuting or deliveries, and a scrambler-style motorcycle called the City Monster. The latter has a lightweight construction, a striking retro design, a long leather bench seat for riding 2 up, and a mid-drive motor offering a performance similar to the 125cc class. The City Monster has a 32-inch seat height, 53-inch wheelbase, and weighs about 240 pounds. Its motor pushes out 11 kilowatts and brings the bike to the top speed of 65 miles per hour. One full charge of the 5.5 kilowatt-hour battery could reportedly last up to about 90 miles and needs about 3 hours to be fully recharged from the built-in 2,000-watt charger. Eahora M1P Pro. Forget about electric scooters, e-bikes, and other boring PEVs, and check out this new battery-powered chopper. Offered in a single and dual seat configuration, the M1P has a black tubular steel frame, a low seat with a height of 25.5 inches, a leather saddle with a beige diamond pattern, tall chopper-style handlebars, and a set of 12-inch wheels with fat tubeless tires. The bike's rear wheel houses a 2 kilowatt hub motor that is juiced by a 60-volt, 30-amp-hour battery and can be removed for easy charging. Such combination enables 37 miles per hour riding speeds, 30-degree hill climbing abilities, and up to 45 miles of zero-emission riding. In its standard configuration, the model has a 6.5-inch ground clearance and is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes, an adjustable full suspension setup, front and rear fenders, a lighting system with turn signals, and a dual information display. Finally, the M1P has a more performance-oriented version with a 4 kilowatt motor, a 72-volt, 40-amp-hour battery pack, and an optional sidecar for carrying a passenger.
Piezo is the latest addition to the e-bike lineup by Monday Motorbikes. This bike is set to become one of the most powerful models in the brand's lineup, since it features a 2 kilowatt rear hub motor and a 72-volt power system. The mighty motor had to be matched to battery packs with class-leading capacity. When purchasing the Piezo, you should be able to choose between a 33 or 40 amp-hour battery pack, offering between 70 and 80 miles of riding respectively. Piezo is sold as a Class 2 electric bicycle, but there are 3 power settings that you can switch between. The first power setting only activates pedal assist to 20 miles per hour. The second power setting unlocks throttle power and the 28 mile per hour top speed. And finally, the third setting is intended for off-road use at speeds up to 40 miles per hour. In order to effectively control this power output, dual-piston hydraulic motorcycle brakes are introduced as standard equipment. With this bike, you're also getting motorcycle-grade front suspension with 150 millimeters of travel, adjustable monoshock with external reservoir in the rear, a headlight and taillights, and a 5-inch information display. Our team is working hard on bringing the latest and greatest news from the world of electric two-wheelers. If you'd like to support our efforts, please subscribe for further updates, and feel free to share our work with your friends or request new overviews in the comment section below. Thanks once again, and till next time.